8 benefits of a healthy body and mind maintenance. 1. Improved physical health. Regular exercise and a balanced diet contribute to a stronger, more resilient body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. 2. Enhanced mental well-being. A healthy lifestyle can significantly reduce symptoms of depression, anxiety, and stress. It improves mood and overall mental health. 3. Increased energy levels. By maintaining a healthy body, you gain more energy and feel more fit, enabling you to engage in activities you enjoy and tackle daily tasks more efficiently. 4. Positive outlook. A healthy mind fosters a positive outlook on life, enhancing your ability to find joy and satisfaction in everyday moments. 5. Boosted productivity. With improved physical and mental health, you're more likely to be productive in your personal and professional life, achieving goals with greater ease. 6. Empowerment. Taking charge of your health allows you to make informed choices about your lifestyle, leading to a sense of empowerment and self-confidence. 7. A healthy body and mind are essential assets that enable you to perform at your best and overcome challenges. 8. It is an investment in your future. Prioritizing your health is the most important investment you can make. Striving for the best possible health in all areas of your life sets a foundation for a fulfilling and vibrant future. Please subscribe if you like this video. This video is for educational purposes and is not financial or medical advice.